All right, so Josh Land out of Lancaster, Kentucky. Getting the Crippler booted up here. You're in for a treat here, one of the baddest trucks around right here. Outstanding run to start the class off. There's some parts breakage for you. A little bit of carnage. Please, Philip Ewley, if you're still on the grounds, can you come to the announcer stand, please? So the fully accredited Duramax out of the 2-6 Lounge out of Piner, Kentucky. Aaron LaFollette looking for 306.19. Right there in the mix. It's too close for me to call. We'll wait for the laser reading. See if he has anything for Josh Land. Wow. Some more carnage. It appears. Wow. Outstanding run by Matt. He's up there in the mix. We'll wait for the official distance here. That was very unexpected coming out of that truck right there now. Some issues here. All right, Way Southern coming at you. truck. Way looking fast. We'll see if he sneaks up in there. Looking for 321.43. Took the sled all the way over on the far side of the track there. He's having some issues as well. Just a little short here. Wait for the official distance. We'll wait for the official distance here. This is for all the marbles right here, Dodge or Chevrolet. He's going to come up a little bit short. We'll wait for the official distance.